What's going on, everyone? Welcome, Rabid here, and coming at you with another quick video on GPU mining Pearl. And this time it's another pool test. Our previous winner, Alphamine, versus Herominers. So we're going to see one, but before we do, it is looking like probability is dropping quite a bit. As we can see here for the high-end GPUs, we got $5.49 a day. When it does come into our medium range for like a 4070 Super, $1.38 a day. And then our low end here, 3060 Ti, we're hanging out at around 98 cents a day. So probability is definitely dropping. Quit network conditions here, as we are seeing that the blockchain right now, because hash rate is falling off, it is very slow, sitting around 220.5 seconds. What that means is we're finding about half the amount of blocks per day as we were last week. So we're seeing a pretty big drop in rewards due to that difficulty. So keep that in mind, that we're dealing with a small blockchain right now. So once this does adjust, things should get a little bit better, but that price is still down quite a bit. But anyway, let's see who is paying us the most amount of Pearl based on current conditions. All right, so if you missed the other video or you've seen it, just a quick reminder, we did Alphamine versus Pearl Hash, which were the two top pools at the time, and Alphamine did come out on top here by a few more coins here, but overall through the 7 days here, you can see that actually it was about a little over 6 coins more is what Alphamine got. But towards the end here, the rewards were getting pretty close together, as Pearl Hash was doing quite a bit of tweaking and they had some issues early on. But anyway, Alphamine did win the total in the first one for the week, and so I put it up against Herominers here. Now we're going to take a look at the current champion, and that does look like it's Herominers, for paying 19.4 coins for the week versus Alphamine only at 16.5. And as updates came, I did update the SRB miners, the latest Alpha Pool miners, and the 0% fees and lower fees. Everything that kept happening to there, I updated to all the latest miners the day it happened. So no, I'm not on any older miners, in case someone decides to say that. I added in some new metrics of the net hash, the block time changes, and the block reward changes as each day went by as well. So let's take a look here. So day one on Alphamine versus Herominers, we can see the total was 5.1. Actually, day one was 2.62 is what Alphamine gave us, and Herominers gave us 2.82. So Herominers won the day, but it was pretty close together here. Keep in mind, I believe Herominers is a 0% fee for 2 months, and then SRB is a 3% fee, and Alphamine is dropping everything down, so it's only like a 2% fee or something like that towards the end. I'm not sure what's all going on there, but anyway, this is what was paying us out per day here. So day two totals was 5.1 and Herominers at 6.1. So that works out for a day two of earnings is 2.48 versus 3.32. Again, Herominers won that day. Day three, our total earnings so far in the pool was 10.75 on Herominers, 7.63 on Alphamine. For our day three earnings was 2.23 on Alphamine and 4.6 on Herominers. Moving into the day four, we have a total at 12.17 and 10 on Alphamine. That worked into Alphamine winning this day at 2.46 versus Herominers of 1.42. And then we're moving into day five's total, 14.34 versus 12.45. And then for the daily earnings, moving into next day, 2.36 versus 2.17. So it looks like Alphamine won that day as well, but pretty close together here. And then we have day six total, 14.38 versus 17.09 is what we've earned on the pool so far. And for day six earnings, we have 2.75 from Herominers, where Alphamine fell short again, 1.93 here. And then day seven total is kind of what we went to at the beginning. Herominers after a week gave us 19.41 coins, where Alphamine gave 16.54. And this was yesterday at the time of recording this video. So right now it is the 10th of June. So yesterday was June 9th was the remainder of the week here. And Herominers got 2.32 and Alphamine got 2.16. Overall, making Herominers paying us the most amount for the 7 days. So now I'm going to go ahead and do a new test here whenever I zero out my wallets and everything. And I'm going to go our new winner, Herominers, versus Pearl Hash again, because Pearl Hash did drop pool fees down to 0%, I believe. And then they also have Wild Rig, a new miner available, which has some decent speed behind it. And it is also 0% miner fees. So ultimately, the lowest percentages possible is now happening at Pearl Hash. So it'll be interesting to see the two together. Herominers versus Pearl Hash. I have not started this yet, but I will be very soon. So let me know in the comments section what you guys think about Pearl in general, GPU mining in general, and this pool test so far, as well as pool tests you would like to see for yourself. But I do think the next one will be Herominers versus Pearl Hash when I do get that up and running and beginning, but I have not started that yet. So here are our results from 7 days of Alphamine versus Herominers, and Herominers is utilizing SRB. I do have the hash rates here. They're both 3060 Ti's, exact same settings. SRB was 53.3 terahash, where Alphamine started at 51.66. Let's just jump in to see exactly what it is hashed at. So Alphamine is still at 51.23. I'm just going to do a refresh here. So 51.34. So yeah, we're still around the same hash rates here. Nothing has changed hash rate wise, but I know pool fees and stuff kind of changed a bit more on the Alphamine size. But as we can see, we still won with Herominers. So thank you for checking out this video. I will see you guys on the next one. Rabid out.